So guys, finally, now that we are here, we have everything that we need. We have got our hard copy. We've designed our creative in Canva. We have created our pixel. We have our Instagram page and we have our Facebook page. Everything that we need to set up our ad is right here and ready. So right now we're going to go to our ads manager and set up an ad with our pixel and everything connected to our Instagram. Okay. Also, after this, I'm also going to do another video to I'm going to use a smartphone to connect to, in case you don't want to use a pixel, I'm just going to do another video where we don't need a pixel. We'll just do a message ad where we'll get people to message us, when they see our ads, they can buy our product, maybe come to our WhatsApp and all that. That's the most common one. We can just drive all the traffic to our WhatsApp, okay? But in this particular ad I'm going to set now, we're going to make use of our pixel to sell maybe a digital product on seller.com, which we created. But if you have a website, you can use the same method that we've used here to create your pixel and drive traffic to your website. Okay. So, but after this video, the next video is going to be the one I'm going to use a mobile phone to show you how to use your mobile phone to set up the ad without using any pixel, without needing anything, just your phone and driving traffic to your WhatsApp. All right. So let's get to it. So from here, you can just click on this hamburger icon, go to your ads manager. It's going to bring us to the ad manager where we can create a campaign. All right. So here you can see that we have the campaign level. These are the three levels we talked about: the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ads level. So to create your ad, the first thing you need to do is just to click on this green icon that says create. Now, when you hit on create, it's going to bring you here. Now, these are called the ad objective. Facebook is asking you, why do you want to run an ad? What do you want to achieve? You need to state what you want to achieve with this your ad. So the first one here is awareness. You just want to create awareness for people to know about your product or your program or your event. You don't really need them to do much, just to show your ad to people who are most likely to remember. I just want them to remember that I said particular date you want to do something like this or like that. You have maybe you have an event or something. So then the traffic is, you have a website, like you have a pixel. To use the traffic method, you actually need a pixel. Then you have a website. You want to drive people to that website to go there and perform an action. Maybe click a link, buy your product or something. So you use traffic. Then engagement, you just want people to message you. Maybe you're selling something, you want them to message you on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, or your messages. Then this is the action you want them to take. So you use engagement. So when people see your ad, they will just simply click on a button that will bring them to your WhatsApp. Okay. Then the next thing is lead. If you want to generate lead, then app promotion. If you have a new app you want to launch, you start by promoting it with this option. Then the next one is sale, which is the most popular one that we'll most likely be using. So the question is always, Chris, which of these should I use when I want to run my ad? So um we don't really need this, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. So the most popular ones are the traffic and the sales. These two, they do the same thing actually, but in traffic, it's just like when you use traffic, it means Facebook is going to show your ad to a lot of people, random peoples. You will keep pushing people, just sending traffic to your site. A lot of people. I know the good thing is that the more people that sees your product, the more visibility you get, the more possibility of making sales. Okay, so they keep pushing people, whether they are people that are interested or not. They keep pushing people. So that's what this one does. It generates enough traffic to wherever you want it to go to. But for sales is more concise, like more targeted. Facebook will try to narrow down the search, just send only people that are likely to buy. Do you understand? But in traffic, they will send everybody that they see. They just want to have more traffic on your site. So this is the one we are most like that will recommend if you're selling anything. This is the most recommended one. So you go by sales. Then when you go by sales, the next thing you want to do is to click on continue. So here you want to choose manual setup. They ask you choose a campaign setup. Create your sales campaign using a tailored and streamlined setup or manually build your campaign. So if you use this one, this advantage plus shopping campaign, now you don't need to do anything. Facebook will automatically set up everything for you and then get your ads to start running. But that's not what we want. You want to do everything by yourself manually. Always go with this one so that you'll be able to do everything by yourself, set up everything the way you want it to go. All right, so we click on continue.